Hey, it's me, Gus Daniels.
And I'm Olive Curtis. Just kidding, we're Matt and Rich. We hope you're all having an excellent Friday.
Simon!
Dude, stop acting like a hooligan. Just like you guys in the school, the hall, and the lunchroom.
Yo, I mean, last time was for...
I'm cutting in front of you. Wait your turn. Waiting your turn's better than cutting in front of your best friends. More lunchtime etiquette. No sleeping on the tables. You can sleep when you get home. Guys, this is disgusting. Don't leave your food on the floor. The trash can is right there.
First off, don't sit on the tables. Nobody wants your butt on the table. Number two, make sure you're using manners, please and thank you, and ask questions. And if you want something more, just ask please. Sometimes if we have extra, they will. If they don't have extra, they'll have to say, sorry, don't have extra. Don't butt in line. That makes the lunch ladies angry. Make sure you take a fruit and vegetable because that's a federal law. That's not our law. So I'm sorry we have to make you do that, but in order to get reimbursed from the federal government, you need to take a fruit or a vegetable or a juice.
You know where else we need etiquette?
How about the parking lot?
We're here with some info about the parking lot. To park at the school, you need a parking permit. To get a permit, you will need
$20, proof of current insurance and current vehicle registration. Also, a valid driver's license and a signed parking contract. The contract can be obtained in the main office.
If you do not have a permit, your car may be booted and you can face a fine of $75 or more. So you may be asking,
where can I park?
The school has 4 parking lots. A front parking lot, 2 back parking lots, including the driver's ed range, which you cannot park on after 2:45 p.m. There is also a teacher's parking lot on the side of the school. When you are leaving the parking lot, please allow others to merge in. This will help traffic to flow smoothly. From 2 to 3 p.m. after school, the back parking lot is exit only. And always remember to come to a complete stop before the crosswalk. Drive safe, Sentinels.
Tim, Mike, James sandwich.
What?
Call it a TMJ.
Okay.
T for Thunder, M for Michael, and J is for you should have signed up for clubs at Club Rush.
Wait, Club Rush does sound fun, but where's the J in that?
Just go.
Hope you're all having an excellent Friday. But as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget
to rock the ridge.
Congrats, now you're 5 foot. Okay, let's get a read in.